Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing in with the Google account you intend to link. Make sure you have your bank account number, IFSC or SWIFT code if required, and your UPI PIN ready. These speed verification. Once done, go to Payment Methods or Bank Accounts in the menu and tap Add Bank Account. This begins the automated flow that verifies your identity and ties your bank to Google Pay, so do not skip confirming your phone number when prompted. After choosing Add Bank Account, select your bank from the list. Google Pay scans eligible accounts linked to your phone number and displays them. Tap the correct account by checking the last 4 digits and authorize via SMS verification so the app can confirm ownership. Make sure to set or enter your UPI PIN when asked. This secures transactions. If the bank requires an in-app OTP, enter it promptly and wait for the success confirmation before proceeding to send or receive payments. To finish, verify that the new account shows under Payment Methods and perform a small test payment or request to confirm everything works. If the test succeeds, you're ready to use Google Pay for larger transfers and bill payments. If not, check SMS permission and that your phone number matches the bank records, because mismatched numbers block verification. If you still see errors, close and reopen the app, retry the ad flow, and contact your bank to confirm UPI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.